Good morning. I have a Jaboticaba here. She needs a bit of love, trimming and brushing on branches. And this is a forest. So we have 11 trees, I believe, in this one. And I also have some weeding to do. But yes, a Jaboticaba is a fruit-bearing tree, and yes, it does create its fruit. Very nice. They are little grape size, almost, maybe a little tiny bit larger than grapes, very dark in color, almost black, but a purple color. And they have a seed on the inside, a larger one, not tiny like grapes, just one. And yes, edible. So you can make jams out of it. They make a wine out of it. So basically, you know, a fruit. All right. This one is going to take a bit of time. Forest, although I love them. Going to give her a spin here. Hello. And you can see her kind of from all sides. And we're going to start from the top, kind of with this one, and work our way down. Pretty thick through there. We're going to have to thin that out. A lot of new growth though that's happened and growing back into the tree, so work on that. So trimming and brushing gonna happen right now. And we're still brushing, still brushing. I have been brushing, I have been trimming, and now I have some company helping me brush and trim. She seems to like it when I do bonsai. She shows up, which I like too. So we're still brushing. Oh yes. I think there is a little bit more brushing to do, but I'm going to go ahead and do some weeding down here and take a break from that for a minute. But yes, I think she's looking much more open. Yeah, look at that. You can see trees behind the trees now. Yes. very much an improvement. Let's do some weeds. Yeah. So here are my little bunnies. They've fallen over and they're a little dirty. I don't know if you can see. Oh, no. Just the bunnies. Yeah, I have one. And two. This one. Oh, there you go. And there's a third one somewhere, hopefully. Maybe. Alright, we got little bunnies we're going to put back in maybe when we get done. And find its comrade. As you might be able to tell, my moss is looking a little dry. We've had like Noah's Ark rain going on and now it's drought for 5 days. And so I've watered, but I never water as good as Mother Nature does. So you can tell my moss is a little drier. So we're going to be watering again. Oh yeah. That's my crazy kitty helping, doing something down there. We got the little bunnies sitting there taking a bath and soaking. We're going to put them back in. We never found the other one. I'm not sure where that little thing went off to. We'll have to go with just 2 in there for now, I guess. Gonna wipe this down a little bit, push the moss back some, add some rock. Every time I think, oh, I've got everything, find another little weed or another little something, black off of there and brush off of there, trim off of there. But I think that it's pretty good. Pretty good. Just going around, doing the rubbing down of the pot, cleaning it up a bit. I may even oil it. Ooh. We're going to add some rock now on top, and then we'll oil the pot as our finishing touch. We're going to move it around now, let it find a place to settle. So there you are, we're oiling. Yes. Alright, so we used a brass bristle brush to clean the branches. And it is so much brighter looking after pulling off a lot of that black fungus, viney kind of mold that grows on it. And also pulling off the green mold that was growing on it and fungus. So we've got our little bunnies here. We're going to place those in there. We put our rock on already and pressed it down. There we go. The Jaboticaba is a really nice bonsai tree because it has the nice small leaves already. The bark has a beautiful papery, almost like a eucalyptus-y, the way it papers off sometimes, dappled color to it. So, you know, it's just, and then it gives you some fruit you can eat from it. Oh. So, let's do a spin. I oiled the pot, but I didn't put it on a bigger stand. You know, it's a little heavy, so we're just going to go with this. I don't know, am I cutting off the top? I think I might be. Okay. We can see it all now, I think. So opened it up quite a lot. I was having issues with it mold, black mold growing on the actual leaves and things themselves, which do happen if you have it too thick in there without airflow. It's all about airflow. Okay, so we're spinning. I don't know. We're spinning. We replaced some of the moss and kind of chucked it back in there. And it kind of is pretty hardy, like I've said before. It'll come back. And our lichen mixed in there, which is always a lovely contrast. All right, I think that's it for it. Hope you have a good one. Thank you for being with me.